Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about properties of rational numbers. So before seeing the properties, we will see what are rational numbers. A rational number is a number that is expressed in P by Q form. That is, it is a number which can be expressed in numerator upon denominator form, right? Where both P and Q are integers. Both P and Q should be integers and the denominator, that is Q, is not equal to 0. The denominator should not be equal to 0. Some examples of rational numbers are 1 upon 2, minus 7 upon 4, 5 upon 6, minus 8 upon 3, and so on. Now I have already explained in detail what are rational numbers in the previous video, the link of which is given in description and the I button. You can check if you want to learn more about what are rational numbers. Now we will see directly the properties of rational numbers. Now the first property is closure property. Now we will see properties of rational numbers. Now the first property is closure property. This property, it is there for addition of rational numbers and multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, these two numbers are rational numbers. This closure property means, see, when we add two rational numbers, we will always get a rational number. The answer will be a rational number. Okay, so we will see, solve this. Equal to, so the rational numbers we write in form of fractions. Okay, numerator upon denominator. So the addition of fractions, we can use it for addition of rational numbers. Now I have already explained addition of fractions in previous videos. You can check. I will give the link in description and I button. We will solve by cross multiplication. 1 into 3 will be 1 into 3 plus 4 into 5 upon 5 into 3. Now the answer is 3 ones are 3 plus 4 5s are 20 upon 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 23 upon 15. Now the answer is rational number. Okay, it is written in the form of P upon Q. Okay, so when we add two rational numbers, the answer will always be a rational number. So the addition of two rational numbers will always be a rational number. Okay, now same for multiplication. When we multiply two rational numbers, the answer will be a rational number. Okay, we will see this. These two are rational numbers. The multiplication of rational numbers will be same like we have seen multiplication of fractions. I have already explained multiplication of fractions in the previous video. The link is given in description and the I button. You can check it out, which is equal to 3 into 5 upon 4 into 7, which is equal to 3 5s are 15 upon 28. Here we got 15 upon 28 is a rational number. It is written in the P by Q form, right? So it is a rational number. When we multiply two rational numbers, the answer will be a rational number. The addition, that is the sum of two rational numbers, will be a rational number, and the product of two rational numbers will also be a rational number. This property is called closure property. Okay. Next property is commutative property. Next property is commutative property. Now if A, B are rational numbers, then A and B are any rational numbers, then according to this commutative property, A plus B equal to B plus A, and for multiplication A into B will be equal to B into A. Commutative means if we take plus A first and then add B, or if we take B and then add A, then it will be same. Okay, the answer we will get is same. And similarly for multiplication, if we multiply A into B, the answer what we will get, it will be same as B into A. Okay, so we will verify this properties with example for addition and for multiplication. 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 3, this will be equal to 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. We will verify this, okay, if it is correct or not. See, 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 3 will be 3 ones are 3 plus 5 twos are 10 upon 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 3 plus 10 is 13 upon 6. This is the answer we are getting for this. This is the left hand side, and the right hand side, we will solve the right hand side. That is what? 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. 5 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3 upon 3 2s are 6, which is equal to 10 plus 3 is 13 upon 6. So see, both the answer is same. So the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay. So we have verified the left hand side, that is this is equal to the right hand side. If we take 1 by 2, then we add 5 by 3, that will be the same as 5 by 3 plus 1 by 2. The answer is same. So this property we have verified for addition. Now for multiplication we will see. For multiplication, 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 will be equal to 5 upon 6 into 4 upon 7. We will verify this. We will solve the left hand side first, that is 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 6. So 4 5s are 20 upon 7 6s are 42, which we can reduce it further. 2 10s are 20 and 2 21s are 42. So 10 upon 21. This is the answer we are getting for this left hand side, and we will solve the right hand side. Now we will see this right hand side, that is 5 upon 6 into 4 upon 7. So which is equal to 5 4s are 20 upon 6 7s are 42, which is equal to, we can divide this by 2. So 10 upon 21. See, the answer is same. So if we write the second number first and first number second in multiplication, the answer will be same. So this is the commutative property for addition and multiplication of rational numbers. The next property is associative property. Now the next property is associative property. If A, B, C are rational numbers, then for addition we have inside the bracket A plus B and outside the bracket plus C will be equal to A plus inside the bracket B plus C. This means if we add A plus B and then we add C, here the answer what we get, it will be same like if we add B plus C first and then if we add A. So in any way you can add, the answer will be same. For multiplication, inside the bracket we have A into B, outside the bracket into C will be equal to A into inside the bracket B into C. Okay. So if we multiply first A into B, or if we multiply first B into C, in any order you can multiply, the answer will be same. Now we will see this with examples. We will verify this. Okay. First we will see the right hand side. So what we will get? See, now I don't have space here, so I will solve it here. See this left hand side, what it is there. Okay, first we will solve this 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4 upon 2 3s are 6 plus this 1 upon 4. We will write it separately. So which is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 upon 6 plus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 7 4s are 28 plus 6 1s are 6 upon 6 4s are 24, which is equal to 28 plus 6 will be 34 upon 24. We can reduce it further. We can divide both this by 2. Then we will get 2 17s are 34 and 2 12s are 24. So 17 upon 12. This is the final answer. So here what we got? 17 upon 12. 17 upon 12. Okay. Now here I don't have space, so I am showing the calculation separately. But in exam, if it is asked to verify this, you have to show this with calculations. Okay. Now we will solve the right hand side. Equal to 1 upon 2, we will keep it as it is, plus 2 4s are 8 plus 3 upon 12. So which is equal to half plus 8 plus 3 11 upon 12. So now we will solve this 2, that is 12 ones are 12 plus 2 11s are 22 upon 2 12s are 24, which is equal to 12 plus 22 will be 34 upon 24, which is equal to, we can divide this by 2, so what we will get? 17 upon 12. 17 upon 12. Here also we are getting 17 upon 12 and here also we are getting 17 upon 12. That means these two are equal. Okay. So this property we have verified. For multiplication, this example we will take. Verify this whether it is correct or not. First we will multiply these two rational numbers. So which will be equal to 1 into 3 will be 3. 2 into 4 will be 8 into 6 upon 5. So, which is equal to 3 6 are 18 upon 8 5 are 40. So, which we can reduce it further. We can divide both this by 2. So, 9 upon 20. This is the answer. Okay. For this one, we are getting the answer as 9 upon 20.
Now we will solve the right hand side. We will get the same answer.
Okay. Now we will solve this. So, this 1 upon 2 we will keep it as it is. Into the bracket we will solve first. 3 6 are 18 upon 4 5 are 20. Now we will solve this. 18 ones are 18 upon 2 into 20 will be 40. See, we can reduce it further. We can divide it by 2. So it will become 9 upon 20. So this also we got 9 upon 20. So here also we got 9 upon 20 and this one also we got 9 upon 20. That means these two are equal. This property is verified. So we have verified this property.
The next property is distributive property.
Distributive property. If A, B, C are rational numbers, then A into B plus C will be equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay.
See, you can first add inside the bracket and then the answer what we get, that we can multiply with A. Or if you open the bracket, then you should multiply A to each term inside the bracket. Okay.
So the multiplication is distributive over addition. I will see this with the example. We are using one example here. We will verify this with example. Okay. Now the left hand side is this. Okay. So first we will solve this. See, I am solving only this side. Okay. This side I am solving. So which is equal to half into first what is there inside the bracket, that we will solve. 10 plus 2 3s are 6 upon 3 5s are 15. So which is equal to half into 16 upon 15. See, first I am solving only this side I am solving. Okay, this side only I am solving. Here multiplication sign is there. So this numerator and denominator we can cancel here. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So it will be 8 upon 15. So this is the answer we are getting for when we solve this side. Now we will solve this side separately. So here equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 5. See, here multiplication sign is there. So this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. So what we will get here? 1, and in the denominator we have 3. So 1 upon 3 plus, here multiplication sign is there. So we can cancel this 2 and this 2, and what will remain? In the numerator 1 upon denominator 5. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5, which is equal to, we will solve this. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 ones are 3 upon 3 5s are 15. So 5 plus 3 upon 15. So 5 plus 3 is how much? 8 upon 15. See, here also we are getting 8 upon 15 and here also we are getting 8 upon 15. That means these two are equal. This property is verified. Okay, we have verified this property. So this is the distributive property of rational numbers.
The next property is identity property, that is existence of identity.
Now the next property is identity. A is any rational number. If we add 0 to A, it will remain A only. Okay, and if we multiply A with 1, it will remain A, the same number. Okay, if we add 0 to any rational number, we will get the same number. So 0 is the additive identity. Okay, 0 is called additive identity. If we multiply any rational number by 1, we will get the same rational number, that is A. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. So 0 is the additive identity and 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay. 5 upon 3 plus 0. Any rational number we take, and if we add it with 0, we will get the same rational number, that is 5 upon 3. Okay. So 0 is the additive identity, and if we multiply any rational number, 7 upon 9 is a rational number. If we multiply it by 1, we will get the same number, that is 7 upon 9. Okay. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. This property is called existence of identity. 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers and 1 is the multiplicative identity of rational numbers.
Now the next property is inverse, that is existence of inverse.
Now the next is inverse, existence of inverse. This means, see, A is any rational number. If we add it with minus A, we will get 0. 0 is what? Additive identity. Okay. Minus A, if we add it with A, then we get the 0, that is additive identity.
Minus A is additive inverse of A.
1 upon A, if we multiply it with A, what we will get? 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity. So this 1 upon A is called multiplicative inverse of A. See, 1 upon 5 plus minus 1 upon 5. So what we will get? 1 upon 5 plus minus will become minus 1 upon 5. So it will be 1 minus 1 upon 5, which is equal to 0 upon 5, which is equal to 0. So here we are getting 0. So this minus 1 upon 5 is the additive inverse of 1 upon 5. And here for multiplication, 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 4 upon 3. So 4 upon 3 into this 1 upon 4 upon 3. So it is the reciprocal, right?
1 upon 4 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 4.
We have already seen this in previous video when I explained multiplication of fractions. I explained about reciprocal, right? So we have already seen this. The reciprocal of 4 upon 3 will be 3 upon 4. So which is equal to 4 3s are 12 upon 3 4s are 12, which is equal to 1.
So 1 upon 4 upon 3, which is equal to 3 upon 4, is the multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 3.
So minus A is the additive inverse of A and 1 upon A is the multiplicative inverse of A. Okay.
So we have seen all the properties of rational numbers. I hope you must have understood this. If you have any doubts in this, please write it in the comments. If this video was useful to you, then please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.